Hey, welcome back to Gear Choice channel. Introducing the BC-MS305 electric mobility scooter by Baichen. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to freedom. Foldable? Check. Lightweight? Absolutely. This scooter is designed to make mobility effortless and convenient. With a range of 40-60 kilometers on a single charge and a maximum speed of less than 30 km/h, you can confidently navigate your day without worry. Crafted with care using high-quality materials, the BC-MS305 ensures durability and stability, while the 500W brushless rear motor provides efficient power. Choose the color that suits your style and personality, with options like black, blue, or red, or customize it to make it truly yours. Charging is a breeze, taking only 3 to 8 hours for a full charge, thanks to its advanced 36V10.4Ah/15.6Ah lithium battery. Designed for everyone, the BC-MS305 is suitable for both men and women, with a loading capacity of up to 120 kilograms. Join the revolution in mobility with the BC-MS305 electric mobility scooter. Order yours now and experience the freedom you deserve. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest mobility solutions. Check the link in the description to buy now and transform your life. Message us for more information.